In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a macro in LibreOffice Calc. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your macros, how to choose the right one, and how to run it safely and confidently. First, open LibreOffice Calc. You can launch it from your Applications menu or by opening any Calc spreadsheet file. If you don't already have something to work with, create a new spreadsheet so you have a place to run your macro. With your spreadsheet open, look to the top menu bar and go to Tools. This is where LibreOffice groups advanced features, including everything related to macros. From the Tools menu, hover over Macros. A small submenu will appear. Choose Run Macro. This opens the Macro Selector, which is the hub for browsing and running the macros available to you. In the Macro Selector, you'll see libraries listed on the left. You'll typically see options like My Macros, which are macros stored for your user profile and available across documents, and the name of the current document, which contains macros saved inside this specific file. If you plan to share the spreadsheet with others and want the macro to travel with the file, it should be stored in the document's library. If it's a personal tool you use across many files, you'll usually find it under My Macros. Expand the library that contains the macro you want. Inside each library are modules, which are like folders that group related macros together. Click the module that holds your macro to reveal the list of individual macros on the right side of the dialog. If you're unsure which one to choose, look for clear names you or the creator used, and consider keeping a short reference list of what each macro does. Select the macro you want to run. Before you proceed, a quick tip. If Calc shows a security prompt about macros, take a moment to confirm the source is trusted. Only run macros from documents you trust, since macros can automate powerful actions. When you're ready, click Run. Calc will execute the macro immediately. Depending on what it's designed to do, you might see changes to cells, formatting updates, or dialog boxes with results. If the macro requires input, follow any on-screen prompts it provides. If nothing seems to happen, check whether you selected the correct library and module, and verify that the macro is stored where you expect it. For peace of mind, consider testing macros on a copy of your file, especially when they make large or irreversible changes. That's it. You've successfully run a macro in LibreOffice Calc.